Meredith, is my insurance up to date? Alright, good. All right, guys, so a little bit about our boat. Our boat's name is Annie. We name everything here at the Mata compound. So Annie's our anniversary present boat that we got, and then Rex is the Raptor. So anyways, back to the boat. Annie is a 07 Malibu Wake Setter 247. It is a RX, which means that it is direct drive. We live close to a private local lake that has laws against V drives, which is cool, no big deal. So we had to find a direct drive boat for us to be able to surf and wakeboard, have our family and friends out. And so yeah, this is Annie, and we haven't used her as much as we would like to, but we're taking her out today for a little early Labor Day hangs with the wife. Trying to think back, I did not recall wakeboarding at all this summer, and that used to be like a huge thing for me and my buddies. We actually had a thing on Wednesdays, it was Water Sport Wednesdays, and I've gotten so busy that I haven't had a chance to get back with them or kind of everybody group up and go skiing and just the fellowship of all that, which is unfortunate, but we'll get back to that. Meanwhile, y'all come hang out with us on the lake for the day, and we might pull the wakeboard out and see how rusty I am. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Chris Trans never fails. He's always around for all the fun activities. Hey Jeff.
It starts with a P.
Jeff, we're wakeboarding this evening. You gonna join or what? Come on, no pressure, man. I haven't wakeboarded all summer, just to let you know.
I got a hip out. Oh, his hips.
It's all right. We ain't telling you to do no tantrums.
I'll coach.
Yeah, all right. We got a coach tonight. We got a tutor. Chris Tran's the tutor.
Yeah.
If you need help with your math.
Take care of it.
We got our tea brewer, Twisted Tea. We need a sponsor. Always on her phone. Always. We got a bartender over here. Tyler, what'd you go with? What'd you go with, Fireball?
Yes, sir.
All right, bottoms up. Yeah, so y'all gotta check this kid out. This is his second time on a wakeboard. I just found this out, but he's shredding pretty good. Say what? My man just pops right up out of the water. Alright guys, well, looks like it's my turn. I've only wakeboarded once this summer and didn't do great, so it's either going to be terrible or terrible. Meredith, is my insurance up to date? All right, good. Well, that's it for Labor Day, guys, or Labor Day weekend. Meredith has to work on actual Labor Day. Well, she might be getting called off. We don't know, so we made sure to have some fun today and take the boat out. Appreciate y'all watching this video, guys. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.